Welcome to the course. Build full-stack Twitter X clone using SwiftUI, Node.js, MongoDB, ChatGPT and DALL integration, plus an admin dashboard. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, you're in for an exciting ride through the world of iOS app development, back-end programming, and AI integration. In this video, let's take a look at the features we'll learn to build within the course. First, we have a login screen when we start to open the application. On this screen, we let the user enter their information, such as email and password. Then we hit the sign-in button. The application will connect to the Mongo database to check the login information. If successful, the application will switch to the home screen. The home screen will display all the tweets of the user that the logged in user is following. Here we may like or dislike a tweet. We also have a profile view where we can view the information of the currently logged in user as well as the list of tweets. By clicking on the Edit Profile button, you'll be able to make a myriad of changes. You can easily upload a new profile picture that captures your best moments. Edit your username, email address, or other contact detail. Share a brief description to let others know more about you. After you've made the desired updates, simply hit the Save button. The changes are seamlessly synced with our backend, ensuring that your profile reflects your latest updates. Now, let's explore yet another essential feature of our Twitter clone app, the search user functionality. When you navigate to the search users screen, you're presented with a user-friendly search box on the top. Type in the name, username, or keywords related to the user you're looking for. Once you have found a user you'd like to connect with, you can follow them here, or visit their profile, view their tweets, then follow them. If we go back to the home screen, we will see the new tweets from the user we just followed. The tweets are sorted in chronological order. The latest tweets will appear on the top. By designing for both light and dark modes, we create a more inclusive and accessible app that caters to a wide range of users. Furthermore, you will also learn how to create cutting-edge iOS apps using the latest AI technology, like ChatGPT and DALL from OpenAI. These AI-powered features will be integrated into the app, allowing users to easily create photo tweets and receive responses from ChatGPT for any questions they may have. The app can take an input and turn it into stunning images relevant to the tweet. Imagine this, you'll be able to develop apps that can generate text and images based on user input for a tweet. How cool is that? Not only will you master the SwiftUI, but you will also gain valuable knowledge on REST API and CMS development using Node.js and MongoDB, which will set you apart from other iOS developers and give you the skills to build full-fledged applications. You'll know real app workflow and learn to design scalable database with best coding practices. We structure our API into modular components, making it easier to manage and extend functionality, organizing your code base effectively. You'll also learn how to annotate the code with clear and concise comments, ensuring that future developers, including yourself, can understand the logic. See you at Zero to Launch.io. Let's start building.